Brushcrete. The description of the product is, it's an acrylic polymer modified waterproof coating for concrete and masonry. Brushcrete polymer in conjunction with cement provides a seamless waterproof coating to concrete and masonry surfaces. It can be used as a waterproof or a protective coating. The typical problems which are generally observed in any buildings are excess water addition during concreting, during improper curing due to improper compaction, improper shuttering has made waterproof coating a mandatory requirement for all concrete structures. Generally, roof slabs are subjected to rain, heat, dust, pollution, etc. Due to weather changes, all concrete structures breathe and contract, viz. Roof slabs, sunken portions, swimming pool, terrace gardening and similar areas becomes very critical in any structure. Normal waterproof coating which are used, they get punctured due to such movements. The result is waterproof coating gets damaged and water starts re-entering inside building, making damp spots, leakages, drippings inside the structure. This ultimately leads to expensive woodworks and paints peeling off. Some of the most common scenarios or sites observed in any building are as seen. Hence, to control waterproofing, before we start any waterproof coating, ponding of water is a mandatory requirement. Water is recommended to be ponded on the rooftop or in the sunken portions for a minimum of 24 hours to check from where all the water is entering inside the structure. Once the spots are identified where there are chances of water droppages or drippings, we need to drill the hole, fix up the nozzles as shown, and pressure grouting is done using cement slurry and an expansive additive called Cibex 100 to fill all those gaps inside the concrete. Once pressure grouting is accomplished, surface preparation is at most important step. To clean the surface, it's always recommended to dampen the surface either by sprinkling water or by brushing as seen. Once the surface is ready, then we need to prepare the waterproof coating. For preparing, add the polymer, mix cement as shown. If a white color coating is required, we can use white cement, or a grey cement can also be used in place of white cement. Then the mixing is done as seen. Once mixed, this mixture is then brush applied on the prepared surface as shown. Once the first coat is ready, we need to leave it for curing for minimum of 6 hours or till the coating is dried. Then the second coat is applied in exactly 90 degrees or perpendicular direction as shown. This change in direction becomes mandatory for making the waterproof coating convert into a mesh, which results in best waterproofing properties. Immediately after the second coat, the silica sand or the normal sand is sprinkled as shown. Sprinkling of sand has got two advantages. One, it avoids cracks getting appeared on the waterproof coating. Second, it will give us a keying effect for any mortars or screeds which is done on the top of this waterproof coating. Once the coating is dried, curing again becomes very mandatory process being a cementitious material. Ponding is the best way of curing the substrate. Generally, after any waterproof coating, we always recommend to go for a protection screed. To make a protection screed, we normally recommend to mix the known quantity of cement, sand, water, jellies, admixed with the R integral waterproofing liquid, that is Conplast X421IC, at a dosage of 125 ml per bag of cement. We need to mix this particular mortar using a slow speed drill paddle mixer as seen. Once the product is ready, we will pour it onto the cured waterproof coating. And it's laid to the slope on the structure as seen. Brushcrete, it's an acrylic polymer modified waterproof coating for concrete and masonry. The main features: it can be applied in uniform thickness to both horizontal and vertical surfaces, has excellent UV resistance. Benefits: it's a product which can be used for water tanks or roof slabs. Coverages or dosage: please refer the data sheet for more assistance. It has got a shelf life of 12 months until it's used or opened, and the pack sizes which are available are 5 liters and 20 liters.